Welcome back to the channel. I'm H, and today we're diving into a crypto shift that could change everything. Pi Network has been quietly building momentum, and now some of the world's biggest companies are eyeing its potential. This isn't just another update. This could launch Pi into mainstream adoption. We'll break down how 10 global giants might integrate Pi, what it means for us pioneers, and why this is the most exciting moment in crypto right now. These aren't wild guesses. Real possibilities are emerging that could reshape the digital economy overnight. If you want to know which companies could make Pi history, you're in the right place. Let's jump in. First up, the king of e-commerce, Amazon. Imagine checking out on Amazon and seeing Pay with Pi next to Visa and MasterCard. Amazon could save billions in transaction fees by using Pi's low-cost network, passing savings to customers as discounts. This would give Pi real-world value overnight, letting millions spend their coins on anything from gadgets to groceries. Amazon's global reach means Pi could quickly become a household name. Loyalty programs could reward shoppers with Pi, driving even more demand. Sellers could accept Pi and use it for services, creating a self-sustaining ecosystem. With Amazon's tech, rolling out Pi payments is totally feasible. If Amazon moves first, every other retailer will scramble to catch up. This isn't just possible, it feels inevitable. Amazon could be the domino that changes everything. Next, Google, the backbone of our digital lives. Picture buying apps or games on the Play Store with Pi, no credit card needed. Developers would benefit from lower fees and faster payments, attracting more talent to Google's platforms. Google could use Pi's identity system to fight bots and fake accounts, adding trust across YouTube, Gmail, and beyond. Imagine a verified by Pi badge for real users. Google Cloud could accept Pi for server time, connecting the Pi community with tech startups. Google Pay could be the first major wallet to fully embrace a decentralized, mobile-first crypto. This would attract millions of new users and set Google apart in the Web3 race. For Google, integrating Pi isn't just a feature, it's a statement of leadership in the next era of digital money. The future of payments could be just a tap away. Google has the reach and resources to make Pi mainstream. Will they lead the charge? Now, Apple, the world's most valuable company and a master of seamless design. Apple could integrate Pi into the iOS wallet, making crypto as easy to use as Apple Pay. Paying with Pi could be as simple as a double click on your iPhone. Apple's services, music, TV, arcade, could accept Pi, or even reward users with Pi for engagement. This would turn passive users into active participants, deepening loyalty. Apple's mobile-first focus aligns perfectly with Pi's user base. Announcing Pi integration at a major Apple event would make global headlines. Apple could define the next era of digital finance, not just follow it. The walled garden could open a gate to decentralized currency, with Apple holding the key. If anyone can make crypto mainstream, it's Apple. Will they take the leap? Microsoft, innovator in both gaming and enterprise tech. Imagine using Pi to buy Xbox games, skins, or even pay for Game Pass. Gamers could earn Pi for achievements, creating a true play-to-earn model. Azure could accept Pi for cloud services, legitimizing Pi for business. Microsoft 365 and LinkedIn could let users pay or tip with Pi, streamlining digital work and networking. Pi could power tipping and rewards on LinkedIn, making professional connections more valuable. In the metaverse, Pi could be the native currency for buying virtual land or assets. Microsoft could weave Pi into every layer of its digital empire. For Microsoft, Pi isn't just a payment method, it's a bridge to the future of work and play. Will they be the first tech giant to make the move? Samsung, pioneer in blending hardware and crypto. Adding Pi to the Samsung blockchain wallet would give millions instant secure access to Pi. Imagine paying for movies on your Samsung TV or groceries from your smart fridge with Pi. Samsung Pay could offer Pi cashback, making their phones and payment service even more attractive. Integrating Pi would set Samsung apart from Apple and Google in the crypto race. Their existing blockchain infrastructure makes this a natural next step. Pi could power transactions across Samsung's entire smart device ecosystem. For Samsung, Pi isn't a distant dream, it's the next logical move. They've already laid the groundwork. Will they take the lead? Shifting to Asia, Alibaba is the Amazon of the East. Integrating Pi into Taobao and Tmall would let millions shop with Pi, especially in markets already comfortable with digital payments. Alipay could add Pi, instantly giving 1 billion users access to the Pi economy. Alibaba's blockchain expertise means secure, scalable integration is within reach. They could use Pi for supply chain tracking, adding transparency to e-commerce. AliExpress could test Pi payments globally, connecting sellers and buyers worldwide. For Alibaba, Pi is a way to innovate and stand out in a crowded market. The scale is massive, the impact even bigger. Will Alibaba be the first to move? Meta, formerly Facebook, is betting big on the metaverse. Instead of building their own currency, Meta could adopt Pi, bringing a ready-made economy to Horizon Worlds. Pi's verified user base could help Meta fight bots and build trust across Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Imagine using Pi for instant payments on Facebook Marketplace or tipping creators on Instagram. Pi could power daily social transactions for billions. For Meta, this is a chance to embrace decentralization and win back trust. Integrating Pi would instantly onboard millions into their metaverse vision. It's a partnership that just makes sense. Will Meta seize the opportunity? Tesla, Elon Musk's vision of the future. Imagine buying a Tesla with Pi, turning years of mining into a new car. Tesla could accept Pi for cars, solar roofs, and power walls, tying crypto to renewable energy. Paying for supercharger sessions with Pi would create daily real-world utility. This would make Pi aspirational and practical at the same time. Tesla's audience overlaps perfectly with Pi's tech-savvy community. A single tweet from Elon could send Pi adoption soaring. For Tesla, it's a low-risk, high-reward move that cements their status as innovators. The synergy is undeniable. Will Tesla be the first automaker to go all in on Pi? The world would be watching. Netflix, global leader in streaming. Letting users pay for subscriptions with Pi would open Netflix to millions without credit cards. Netflix could reward viewers with Pi for watching new shows, turning passive viewing into engagement. Fans could use Pi to vote on new content or crowdfund their favorite series. Netflix's move into gaming is a perfect fit for Pi-powered in-game purchases and rewards. Pi would build a more loyal, interactive community around Netflix content. For Netflix, Pi isn't just a payment method, it's a tool for deeper engagement. The possibilities are endless. Will Netflix take the plunge? PayPal, pioneer in online payments and now a major crypto player. Adding Pi would let hundreds of millions buy, hold, and spend Pi instantly. PayPal's merchant network could accept Pi, giving it real-world utility overnight. Venmo could make sending Pi to friends as easy as sending cash. This would normalize crypto for everyday transactions, not just trading. PayPal would stand out by supporting a mobile-first, community-driven coin. For Pi, PayPal is the bridge to mainstream finance. The impact would be massive. Will PayPal be the one to bring Pi to the world? The stage is set. There you have it. 10 giants who could change the game for Pi Network and all of us. Even one integration could legitimize Pi and spark a global domino effect. The groundwork is set. Now it's a race to see who moves first. Which company do you think will unlock Pi's potential? Drop your prediction in the comments. If you're excited for the future of crypto, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more deep dives. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. The future of Pi